In addition to adding, removing, and toggling classes, I can actually affect CSS properties inline, and that's, again, simple, but a little bit more code required because I have to zero in on the specific property that I want to change. And I'm just using the property name as one argument and the value as another argument. So let's take a quick look at how that works. So I've left my button here, my click listener, so that I can use that again. But let's just say I want to change this text to a nice blue color when I click the button. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to say, again, let's get that selector in there, my header.css. And this, again, takes two arguments. The first one is, let's change the background color. Background color, and let's change it to blue. Okay, so let's do that and see if it works. And there it is. Not very attractive, but what I could do is I could change that to change the text to white too by just adding another line. My header dot CSS color white. And when I click that, that's a lot easier to read. So that's easy. I can change any of the CSS attributes by just giving the attribute and the value here, and it'll change it right in line, giving me a very granular level of control over the page.